How to fix Friends Network Unreachable Steam error in Windows. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Friends and Chat tab. Look for the option labeled Sign in to Friends Steam Client Starts and toggle it to Enabled. Restart Steam to see if the issue is resolved. If that didn't work, go to the Interface tab. Under Client Beta Participation, click on the drop-down menu. Select Steam Beta Update. Restart the Steam client for the changes to take effect. If that didn't work, this fix involves deleting Steam's local and roaming data folders. These folders contain temporary files and settings that can become corrupted. Deleting them can reset Steam's configuration and potentially fix issues related to corrupted files. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.